Terrifying monkey sounds, and the last one is the scariest. The agile gibbon. Noah's Ark must have been lit. The Indri lemur. Why does he look like he saw somebody's grandma naked? This is the proboscis monkey. No, bro, I don't have any emeralds. The silvery gibbon. My alarm at 3 a.m. be like the pleated gibbon. It's like your own personal rave on a leash. Siamang. Chimpanzee. Look, it's my brother. The howler monkey.